Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'll be making Char Kway Teow. This is Malaysia's absolute #1 dish. And if you've been to Malaysia or if you're a Malaysian, I bet you love this. So to start off with some cooking prep first. So get your Kway Teow ready. Right here I'm using 2 packets of Kway Teow, equivalent to 1 kilogram. Just use a chopstick and try to separate the noodles that are sticking to each other as much as possible to something like this. Now onions. 1 big onion, chopped. Next, chicken breast. Right here I'm using about 200 grams. So we're just going to cut it into tiny slices. This is really your own preference. Once that is done, now it's time to marinate the meat. Add in 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and just mix it. I'll also be using fish balls, so let's marinate it. 10 fish balls. Now just add in 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and half a tablespoon of salt. Now just mix it. And right now, it's time to cook. So get your wok ready or your frying pan and add in enough oil for frying of the chicken as well as the fish ball. So I start off with the chicken pieces first. Once it's nice and fried, you can take it out. Now I'll be frying the fish balls. Once it's fried, take it out. Alright, so right now using the same oil, adding in your onions, add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half a tablespoon of ginger paste, stir it for a bit. Add in some spring onions. Two red chillies that have been sliced. Now add in the kway teow. Stir it. Add in light soy sauce. So this is roughly about 3 tablespoons, but when you add it in, just go according to taste. Now add in dark soy sauce. So I'm using roughly about 2 tablespoons. Now just mix the kway teow well. If you need to add in more soy sauce or dark soy sauce, this would be the time. Once the kway teow has all been well mixed, add in 2 eggs or more if you like, it's really up to you. Then just mix the egg, make sure that the egg is really well coated with the rest of the kway teow. Then you can add in the chicken as well as the fish balls in. If you have udang or shrimp, you can also add it in at this point. And for garnishing, to top it off, I'll be adding in fried shallots, 2 teaspoons. As well as dried shrimp or dried udang, also 2 teaspoons. Alright, so the cooking part is done. Just put it into a serving bowl and add in spring onions for garnishing. You can add in as much spring onions that you want. And that's it. Now it's time to eat. Really hope you liked it. This is my version of the Malaysian Char Kway Teow, made at home. And hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please give us a like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.